Hey guys, Matt from Greensward again. Springtime here in Virginia Beach. Fescue lawns are really looking good. I get a lot of questions. Hey, what should I be mowing my grass at? Always love those questions. So just as a general idea, fescue lawns, we want to mow from between 3 and 4 inches. As you can see here, I have a little turf check which shows how tall this one is. So you can see, you know, it was probably cut at 4.5 inches or so. We can go down to 3 if this homeowner wants to, but really in that 3 to 4 range is what we're looking for fescue lawns. When it comes to warm season lawns, you can go a little lower with those. We like to scalp those down in the springtime, which I've had on some other videos. And you're looking anywhere between 1.5 inches to 2 inches, 2.5 at most. Again, most of those lawns, especially like Zeon Zoysia, Bermuda grass, they can go low. We've had them on tees before, so you can really go low with that stuff. St. Augustine, maybe a little bit higher, 3, 3.5, 4. But again, you can kind of take a look at what you like. Typically, the warm season lawns go a little bit lower. Fescue lawns like this one are 3 to 4 inches. Keep it green.